Yesterday, civil society and human rights people in Nakambia district hold press conference for look inside the die where 31-year-old Mohammed Dumbuya died na the Kambia government hospital. Mohammed, where plenty people been they call Mr. T, na been final year engineering student na the Fuabe College University of Sierra Leone. Mr. T sick and been admit na Kambia government hospital, usai he eventually die. T-man in body sleep na Kambia mortuary for one night, and the family take the body na the central mosque. Where them be the was the late T-man in body, they want them we been the was ham, find one big cut na the left foot of the late man. The cut, plenty people including the family say, not they far from ritual activity where don they happen na the hospital for long time now. Representative from the human rights defender them, the public relation officer civil society movement na Kambia, non-state actors, the crime officer and self-representative from the disabled family all been present na the press conference. Let we listen to them.
Today na Dumbuya, so that tomorrow na youth I make enough for full hand and full foot and keep quiet. Apart from the update I don't get, me say witness the occasion, I go and see, I watch, and I see what happen. When we come at the house again, the woman there raised some, I want to say, unprecedented issues. Okay? They raised issues, they will be Bob, they will begin way for talk. I begin weep within me. Okay? That even then, as a woman, they really suffer, let's say, that the Gambia government mortuary, that some of them, they tamper with the dead bodies there. They come up, and not only one area, we all area, they pass over 4 or 5 women don't talk before me. If we Naya them born we, you get mama and you get papa and you can say, are you going to be happy? No. You're a big man, a chief, or an imam, or a pastor, and go do and you can say, are you going to be happy? No. But we no one violence, no one fight, because it's not going to help you. And the human rights concept, right? Say, who's that human rights stuff? I don't mind, you begin. We born and you don't know today. But what are we in position as citizens or as patriotic people in this Gambia district?
I really know how to feel within myself. But as a PRO civil society movement at Gambia, that make all this thing happen, we try for call on the people when they come. Because what we know and what we believe, justice now we will be faithful. And we for make sure that people of Gambia made them know say wetin happen is not correct, and we condemn the act. Now that make we pull a press release so that make Gambia people they know, and also make the entire Sierra Leone know say that this they happen at Gambia. And not to follow it happen no more and left so. We need justice. Now make we call on the police, we call on stakeholders, people that already surrounding we for make them come. So that Lord, we all come down together and unite together, and then we're able to fight this fight. Because this particular act will happen so. Honestly, for let somebody then in college, in the lab book, for let in turn for helping people, he died. You know, something happened like this. It's not really funny. So I call on the people of Gambia, including the security, the one that were concerned, for let we all see to this year, and let we know say justice for prevail.
This is not the first issue of this hospital. I've been monitoring the health fall, for the health fall, I monitor it. For the report with the ground, most of the death they only happen now because of the negligence or the responsibility. Most of the women when they die because they delay for what they're supposed to do. This you don't die now. Actually, what he say. Most times when somebody died, even the former boss, Mr. Jaro, who died, I did a WhatsApp, I did a WhatsApp. From then on, I prayed. it's possible this thing don't happen for long, but not because I didn't hear. I didn't WhatsApp. This thing come up because they don't do for WhatsApp. And this thing don't happen. And many other things that happen at the hospital. But when you know the church, some man they compromise, some man they be at the left hand, but some man know the left hand. You know the left hand because they don't happen to the next person. This should not happen now. And make sure say if they push up to the last day, they want they will know say people and the way not go take what they do. People and the way not they accept wrong things. Because the man you don't die, you know it's fully again at the war. But you need for both in peace, you need for both respect, you need for both all in part them. If you want to have yourself in a month, you said you know, you take your own, but what about you Nigeria?
Because of that, we from where they tell we said in Sokwi, we decide say we not sleep. We decide for take a women for death into the bottom of it. We don't start the investigation. But the case can say investigation a gradual process. Let nobody know say we go sweep her under carpet. Like this particular one, we go all out. We go all out. And somebody they die, then burn them. Pathologists and that particular ashes they can do post-mortem panel. They know the cause of death. So even when they don't and let them know where they call, we just want cooperation from the member of the community, members of the family, and I want to be very happy over civil society and human rights because from where this thing happened, we all don't tie for work together. And their information then where they give we they work on them, and we want to now as community members start to change the way the human rights not they get or civil society now, but we not they get them. Pass and give them, we not come to police self, we not pass and give them because every day we discuss with them. And we have to go to the bottom of this thing. And I want really like human rights chairman and every day, got to every day. Like yesterday, we nearly want me palaver, but not to palaver. For we get to where they go. We strategize and we work on it. We able to hold the main suspect we look for. As long as we are cooperating together, we will reach to the bottom of this thing. But the investigation they go na holding center, they go na emergency, they go other areas there. Of course, we get for go through authorities then at the hospital. That's the authorities that we authorities get for liaise with them. Would that they will need for get for level them to this thing, provide them go hand over give you. So we want to let everybody keep calm, let everybody they supply the little information we get to the police. We justice now we don't work that one day. We not they compromise anything. Especially for this thing, as long as the community really they get interest, especially the number one person, the children, this thing gets a concern. So that we all go cooperate together. Sometimes if this done, it will take similar thing like this not will happen.
I greet you now all on behalf of people with disability. This one is a very sad story for we. And for the past years, we don't cry for this. For say Cambia Hospital not safe for people there. For say Cambia Hospital now a place where even the drugs them when they come for people them for free health they sell them. We don't talk this, but this one will happen by God's own power. If we all come together like how they come together at the end. And don't not just make her as a joke. Don't not compromise this. Because the hospital now the safest place so possible to think about. But now the hospital this way they go, if they see doctor, if they see the nurse they glad. Patients they go. Now the hospital this way they go, if they meet nurse them, they play phone. Patients they don't die. You know human. And for we as people with disability, say hurry for we. Because imagine, I go there as blind man. How they get for me? Simple no get for kill me, they get for say, bye babe. Yes. I shall go there, what's the next thing now for kill me. That is simple. Simple no get for kill somebody now with chair, they say this. Like bye babe. Then go down. At the end, now for killer. It's undone. Patients they need for get a safe place. And civil society and human rights una need for now very far. For 6 years, una protect the image of patients in the hospital. But me, one Now, what me they recommend to Unaya? What me they want for let them do now? This investigation, I want to let them make sure say after the investigation, anybody found one thing, let them make sure say left this hospital. That's now one. Let the person left this hospital and let them recommend to the Minister of Health for let them pull an payroll. You're not supposed to be a health worker. Imagine what happens if you unite daddy or unite picking a issue. Imagine this now we engineer and Akambia district. Not to for any other. Now we engineer. Now we don't also. Because we people with disability, they're in hurry. If we have told them for can't give we as people with disability, they know they go to we. When they go there, they say go sell and give. When you talk, they say you are able for talk anything a disability business, but you too get for die one day. All what they do so, they get for go account to God. But now let us start the accountability here.
The Paramount Chief yesterday, the meeting will get which I say, if he can't uphold that body, the Council of Parliament District, they get for meet because this is a Gambia district fight. And they talk with the Minister of Health this week. And they connect other taxis. So therefore, we rely on the police. And they can inform this body again, say, the DMO go on air. He said the committee when they said, then they get a representative from the family of the disease. Then they get a representative from civil society. Up to this time, before they're not treating serious. The media, I don't talk on a radio call and say the hospital administration not treat with serious in this district. But when they continue for people and say, let nobody not take the law in hand. The end justify the means.
As all this they be, we go get the second side of this reportage where we go listen to the papa in testimony na this program Wise Up Salon. Me na Jibril Goto. Thank you for listening.